Performance warranties are one way to implement a machine as a service agreement. With a performance warranty, the capital acquisition process occurs in the traditional sense. When the final payment is made, the title of the asset transfers to the end user. But the performance warranty really kicks in because it's providing the mechanism for managing that asset in the end user's facility over its life cycle. So instead of a traditional warranty, which is really a break-fix warranty, you have a warranty that you pay for up front, that if something goes wrong on the machine, and if it's covered by the terms of the warranty, the grantor of that warranty, generally the OEM, has an obligation to provide resolution. The challenge with these traditional warranties is that oftentimes the problems that you're facing are complex. They include things that are operational components as well as machine design components. And so it's very difficult to determine post-sale who has the responsibility for achieving the throughput numbers, for making sure the operators are trained, for doing all the things that are necessary to achieve your expected performance on that asset. What a performance warranty does, unlike a traditional warranty, which just focuses on fixing things that are obviously broken, is it guarantees the outcome, where the OEM who's providing that performance warranty has a revenue stream linked to their ability to help you achieve a reliable result from the equipment, regardless of the cause. So they become a trusted partner that is sharing in the success of the performance of the asset over time, and both parties are working with the same intent in mind, because both parties benefit financially when the machine is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is optimize its output. A great example of a performance-based warranty in the field is one of our clients, RōBEX, who takes over responsibility for the production of the asset itself. One of their end-user clients is contracting with them not just to deliver the machinery, but to maintain those assets over the life cycle of the contract, and importantly in this case, provide the operators that are trained and ready to go to realize maximum productivity from their automation investment.